What's going on? I just got home and there were 6 packages waiting for me, ready to open up and unbox for you guys. This one's going to be a pretty quick one. I'm going to fly right through these. And if you see behind me, there's no rug on the wall. That's because I'm in the new location in Richmond and I'm still working on getting everything set up. But I'm really excited because we got the full display of the collection in the back here. And then the hat rack is right here, not fully shown. And then the NASCAR collection's right there on that side. But first things first, let's get into the first one here. I already peeked into this one, but I have actually, let's open this all the way. This one's a 25th anniversary, 1967 and 1992. I think that's 1992. Yep. And then Bass. I'm not sure what organization that is, but if you know, let me know in the comments below. Would love to figure that out. But love that hat. I've had that one before, so pretty excited to have that one back. This one, I recognize the label on the front from who's the person that sent it to me. I got a really good deal on a bundle of 2 hats here. The person is right here if you want to hit them up for some hats. Really hooked me up with this deal. This was my all-time favorite hat that I got, and the fact that I could get it new with tags. I love Final Four sports specialties hats, or any Final Four hat in general, but the SS gold and black double line script is so clean. Absolutely love this one. And then came within the bundle is the 96 Atlanta Olympics. I'm always looking for a new July 4th hat, or maybe just a good everyday hat during the Olympics. Next up is a Kellogg's Cornflakes Racing. This one's going to need a little reshape, but Terry Labonte, number 5 Racing. Gonna clean that on the inside a little bit, but otherwise, really clean hat. Next up is this Michelob golf hat with the plaid brim. I've been looking for golf hats for a really long time now, so this beer and golf hat, a little 2-for-1, really nice one. I've had a lot of people asking me for golf hats, so this is going to be first come, first serve, the hat drop on Wednesday at 10 a.m., so stay posted for that. The second to last one here is a Bill Elliott Logo 7 Splash. The difference between the Logo 7 and Logo Athletic is the Logo 7 are usually just twill material. The Logo Athletic are usually wool, and there's not really a big difference. Logo 7 owns Logo Athletic, so ultimately they're the same thing. Love this one. Great summer hat. Goes with a lot of the NASCAR outfits I have. So good to have another one of these and a great deal on it. Last but not least, this one is kind of heavy, so I think this may be a bunch of hats that somebody's having me clean for them. Yep, this is a cleaning that I'll be doing for somebody. There's 4 in here, and they are a Spider-Man / Venom, Carnage, or maybe that's the name of him, Carnage. I'm not super big into Marvel, but let me know what that is if I got that right. And then there's a New York Rangers wool single line script. Very nice hat, but definitely needs a cleaning. A New York Knicks starter, another great one, and then a New York Knicks twill sports specialties double line. So we got that New York pack here, and then that Spider-Man Marvel one. But that does it for today. Quick little unboxing for you. Make sure to hit subscribe and like for more videos like these and to stay posted on everything. Make sure to comment below. Let me know what you want to see for more videos. Happy to make videos catered towards you and the hat community. So with that, stay posted for the hat drop on Wednesday and have a nice day.